welcome to Shutters You Fit. Today we've got a bay window, so we're going to show you how to measure it, simple and easy. First off, get your tape measure and 2 bits of cardboard. That's all you need. We will give you the dimension for this cardboard to get your accurate angle. Now, most handles on a bay window are 35mm, as we can see. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a profile. So I'm going to create this profile here like this. But if you can see, this angle here is running up. So when your shutter comes up, it's going to be in front of your handle. So you basically bring it over just slightly. But you're going to, once you've got that, look at that edge of that cardboard. So now it's running up here. So it's going to pass your handle. Now, the ideal opportunity is to bring this out to 50mm, because then you've got your clearance. You've now created an angle. This is your angle. Draw it, just mark it along there. Just double check it's 50mm, which it is. Now you've got that angle. You're then going to go to the next window. Now there is no handle on this, but you've still got to do exactly the same thing. But you can create a bit more of an angle. As you can see, I'm doing that. Bring it out 50mm. So you've got the clearance. Once you've got that, make sure that angle is straight. And that one is going that way. Mark it and mark it. Then once you've done that, where you want the shutter to end, mark it there. It's just simple. It's very, very simple to do. And basically, you're going to follow them steps all the way around this bay window. And once you've done all that and you've sketched your bay, just take A, B, C, D and E. So you know what panel's what. So now, once you've taken all those measurements, you're now going to take the height. Now, the good thing is, there's some plastic there. You've got a choice. You can measure from there down to the bottom, or if you wanted to, you could go all the way to the top. It's entirely up to you. There's no issues at all. Secondly, once you've done that, you're going to create a split. So this will all close off and that will all stay open. Now the good thing is, creating a split, there's a little mark here, like an arrow, if you can see. Rule of thumb, that is the center of that. So what you're going to do is take that measurement. That then creates your split for you. So that is your split. So that means that's all closed off and that all stays open. It's very simple to do. Please don't forget, we are at the end of the phone to help you, to save you money. Please like and share our page on YouTube, and I'd like to thank you for watching. Bye-bye.